Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO G70 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to enter the BIOS menu on this PC. So the first thing we have to do to boot into BIOS is shut down our PC. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Wait for the screen to go off, and then once it switches off, which it for some reason didn't, let's give it some time. Okay, once the screen goes off, we have two options to consider. The first one will be using the NOVO key that you can see right here next to the charging cable. All you have to do is press and hold the key for about 5 to 10 seconds, and this will boot up a boot menu on the screen, and you'll be able to proceed to the BIOS from there. And the second option, which works on this and most of the other Lenovo laptops, is to switch on your PC by clicking the power button right here, and then immediately start pressing a combination of FN key, which is right here next to the Windows key, with the F2 key at the same time. So let's try and do this. So just turn it on and immediately start pressing these two buttons, and this will boot up the device into the BIOS menu. Here you'll be able to navigate using arrow keys and confirm with enter key, so you can change all the information that you want. And once you're done, go to the exit tab and either exit saving changes or exit discarding changes. I will save changes since I haven't changed anything. Confirm and let your device reboot. And so that's how you enter BIOS on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.